Breaking news, Nigerians. Court sent important message to lawyer who decided to resign over alleged pressure to favor President Tinubu. Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for coming out here. If you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. The Court of Appeal has addressed and dismissed the spread of what they have deemed fake news regarding the resignation of one of its members from the panel handling petitions aimed at invalidating the election of President Bola Tinubu. Social media platforms have been flooded with posts claiming that Justice Bolokuromo Ugo stepped down, alleging pressure to compromise democracy by favoring President Tinubu's stance in the tribunal's ruling. The original post stated that Justice Ugo had taken an extraordinary and unprecedented step by resigning from his judiciary position. According to the statement attributed to him, Justice Ugo expressed concerns about demands from the executive branch that he believed would undermine the country's democratic principles. He emphasized that supporting the government on this matter would spell the death of Nigerians' democracy, and stated that he could not, in good conscience, remain silent. The resignation was said to have caused shock waves across the nation and raised serious questions about the integrity of Nigerians' democratic institutions. The post hinted at pressure to rule in favor of a specific political candidate, widely believed to be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and claimed that his demand was the reason behind Justice Ugo's decision to step down. However, the assistant to the president of the Court of Appeal has refuted those claims and categorically labeled the resignation news as false. Although Justice Ugo has not personally confirmed or denied the statement attributed to him, the court's officials stated that the report is unfounded and should be disregarded. Another senior official of the court echoed this sentiment, labeling the information as fake news and attributing it to evil rumor mongers. The anonymous source who spoke on the matter but requested anonymity due to a lack of authorization to speak to the press affirmed that there was no truth to the allegations. The court officials clarified that the panel had not experienced any such event and that the parties involved in the petitions were granted time to file and exchange their final written addresses. Once this process is completed, the panel will set a date for the parties to appear in court to adopt their processes, following which the petitions will be scheduled for judgment. The source expressed dismay at the prevalence of fake news and hoped that holding someone accountable would discourage the continuation of this trend. They pointed out that other false news had circulated, including a claim that a former governor of Rivers State held a meeting with court members abroad. The source found these assumptions laughable and emphasized that the justices on the panel had substantial work to attend to in their official capacities and had not traveled abroad for such meetings. In conclusion, the Court of Appeal has discredited the report about Justice Ugo's resignation, emphasizing that it is a baseless rumor. The court officials have urged the public to be discerning and avoid spreading unfounded information, reiterating the importance of upholding truth and integrity in media and communication. They expressed hope that official statements would be issued to provide clarity on the matter and prevent the continuation of false news trend. There is no smoke without fire. If the appeal court think it is fake news, can we hear from Justice Ugo himself to either deny or confirm the purported resignation? Truth will take only but time before it is reviewed. Throw it into the sea, it is going to float. The APC people can originate this type as fake news to attract people's sympathy. They have done things worse than this before. What are the courts going or doing before they will give the official statement on the matter as they promised? Did the president promise Nigerians anarchy? Should he be disqualified or not? Whether the government like it or not, Nigerians' anger is at the boiling point. Until Ugo speaks, that is when we will know the truth. For now, we are not saying anything. These are reactions from Nigerians. So, I not say why all these things are happening, because Nigerians have lost total trust from the judiciary and the government as well. You understand? Nigerians have lost total trust from the judiciary and the Nigerian government. So that is why even when they try to defend it, that nothing like that, they will find it difficult to believe. Because this government, they don't betray Nigerians several times. They go talk this one today, the next day, you go see them do something else. So now wahala be this. So for them to gain the trust of Nigerians again, may them stand for the truth. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel